friends. Studying online is becoming increasingly popular. If you are thinking about furthering your education down this route, then it is important that you should know how to stay motivated in order to complete your studies. We've got 5 simple strategies to help you become an online study ninja. Are you ready? Let's go. 1. Make connections. One of the ways that motivation can suffer when studying, especially when you're studying online, can be feeling like you are on your own. When it's just you and your computer, the drive and determination doesn't always just happen. You can make connections to help keep you motivated. Is reaching out to people working in the industry you are studying to get into. It can help realize or reaffirm your goals, boosting your motivation big time. Also, you can reach out to your teachers at school or college to solve your doubts while studying. 2. Mix up your learning. Studying is not just reading books and notes. There are lots of ways to mix up your study, such as text-to-speech app to turn a PDF into an MP3, or download the audio from a recorded lecture, then take it out to listen to on a walk. Find your own best learning style. 3. Make a schedule. Planning is another strategy that helps students to increase their motivation. Putting subject details, assignment deadlines, exam dates and so on a calendar or wall planner lets you tick off milestones as you pass them, and means that you can plan your study so it doesn't get overwhelming at any point. 4. Make study a daily activity. It is a good idea to do some study or something for your study every day. Do your study every day. Make study a daily activity. Find some time every day for study. That will help to reduce your anxiety and keep you motivated always. 5. Reward yourself. When you're studying online, it's not always top of mind to reward yourself. Between study and life, you might be tempted to just get on with it. You're going to experience some amazing achievements during your study journey, and you should celebrate these. Got your assignment in on time? Reward yourself. Got a better than expected grade in your exam? Reward yourself. The reward probably shouldn't be taking the next 3 weeks off study. But do something nice for yourself and motivation will bounce right back. Thank you friends for your great support. Thank you.